sunlight today. Ha! Back to the window. To the window! Hi guys, Spence here again. You know, one of my favorite parts of the trip to Egypt was the ATV in the sand dunes. I booked it online. While I was in the all-inclusive place, they were trying to convince me to cancel this and book with them instead, and because they offer ATV as well. You don't have to go anywhere, the ATV is already there. But I already booked it and I was like, there's no point changing, and it's all paid for already. And I'm glad that I didn't, because I actually found it nice to get out of the resort and see something different. Once you get to Bedouin village, there's this, I'll call it a mountain. When you get to the top, you get to see around, and I find that that's a really nice scenery. Interesting, like the locals climbing up the mountain with their children. That's like, what? Is that a daily life for them? Oh, what I love about the ATV in the sand is like how it looks. I wished that I managed to take a video of it, but I didn't because I was driving the ATV, looking at this scenery where there's some sand, you know, like just blowing with the wind, you know, around you, and there's a lot of ATV riders around, you know, driving around. And that scene for me, and I just was so annoyed that I didn't get to take a video of that. But that scene was like, I feel like I'm in a movie. It was fun. At first they let you do a test drive, and then I guess depending on how you do on the test drive, they will recommend whether you need somebody to stay with you or which group you belong to. And I think I did really badly on the test drive because I wasn't able to turn. I was kind of scared. Okay, I was scared, and then I didn't manage to stop properly at first. They were like, we would recommend that you have somebody with you, but then they were taking so long, like to get this whoever to stay with me during the ride, and I was just like, you know what, I'll try it. I'll try to do it myself. And they were scared that I'm not gonna be able to make it. Like, all the way and maybe get tired with the button, because apparently that's what you have to look forward to. It's going to be a long ride and bumpy, and a lot of people apparently complain about or cannot carry on because their hands get tired of pressing the button. And actually I felt that, that it gets really tiring to press the button. Eventually I started to get the hang of it, and I actually managed to get in the right lines and then managed to make it there, and Carmela was cheering me on. At first we all decided that we were all gonna have our own ATV, but then Carmela felt a bit scared to do it herself, so she decided that she wants to ride along with me. Said she was gonna drive back, but then she changed her mind and she was like, okay, you just drive back. But yeah, I found that experience to be one of the coolest experiences that I've had when I was in Egypt. I definitely recommend it. Like, if you go to somewhere with a lot of sand, go for a sand ATV. It is so fun. When you get there, they offer you tea.
Hey, thank you. Say hi.
We have a camel ride as well.
Woo! Hi, I'm good. How are you?
But it's only for a little bit of time. Seeing a camel and touching a camel and exploring the camel is one of the things that I'm really excited about, because I have never ever seen a camel before in my entire life. I've read stories about a camel, we've learned it in school, I've seen a camel on video or on TV, but I've never seen it in real life. So that's one of the things that I was really excited about. And you know what I really wanted to do? I wanted to see the humps of the camel, because you learn about, that's where they store water and whatever, and I just really wanted to see what it looks like in real life, and I really wanted to touch it, but then they have like cloth covering it and everything, and I was trying to see underneath and but I couldn't, and I'm like, oh, how do I get this cloth off and what? But then there's a time limit, because that other people are waiting to ride the camel as well. So I just gave up trying to look underneath and trying to feel the camel's humps, because I was trying to be considerate to other people. And then, oh my goodness, I forgot to take a picture of the camel's toe. We bought this from them, I think $200 Egyptian, and then they have the goggles which you rent for $100 Egyptian. Be ready. One of the rules that they have in this form that they make you sign is that you cannot use your camera while you're driving the ATV, which makes sense because obviously for safety reasons. Camila took some videos because she's just riding behind me. But I didn't think she took enough videos. I was like, I wanted more. I wanted more. Like I wanted to see that, you know, the sand flying and all the ATV around. I wanted that scene, but I didn't get that. They do have a photographer and videographer, and they sell it for like 25 euros. And it's so worth getting the photos and videos. Their photographer is so good. When you get there, they do some safety orientation, and then they will be the one to put this on you. I think it's a nice souvenir actually. For me, it's actually worth getting it. I really enjoyed wearing this. To be honest, I did. I thought I was so badass. Had fun taking lots of pictures and videos with that on. And this photographer, he's the one who put my Tiger. Hi Tiger. I don't know if he's even gonna watch my video, but Tiger was the one who put this on me, and he happens to be the photographer, right? And then tells you what to do basically. You know, he sees you driving the ATV and he would be like, do this, like So I kept like I have a lot of photos and videos with like this while I'm driving the ATV. And then blow kisses, and then I'll blow kisses. I'm really happy with like the amount of photos and videos that you get for the 25 euros. Oh, Ishmael is our guide. There you go. He's very good. Like during the orientation, he was saying how women are the best drivers. And I was laughing and I was like, is that are you being serious or are you being, is that a joke? Because, like, different from the real world of driving. It's true. I'm not being sexist. I'm a female, so I guess I can say this because I'm a female. In general, there's probably a lot of good female drivers, but in general, in the whole world, the stereotype is that men are better drivers. Like, majority of men are better drivers than majority of women. That's what I see. That's what I see in real life. Like, every time somebody complains about somebody driving, when they look at the driver, it's a female. I don't know, okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry to my fellow women. You're free to prove me wrong. No, it's not a 100% fact. That's just a general observation from my lifetime. These are the people who are there hanging out at the Bedouin village.
Video.
They pick you up from the hotel, and the problem is, because, as I said, the hotels, they will have their own ATV. There's already a photographer within the hotel. There's a lot of activities that you can do within the hotel itself, scuba diving, boat rides, parasailing. And I guess, for them to encourage the guests to get those activities from those people who maybe have a contract within the hotel, they don't allow the pickup vans to go into the hotel. They'd rather drive you with their golf cart to the entrance and then get picked up from the entrance, which is a little bit annoying to me. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Ishmael, for a wonderful ATV experience. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I'm a ninja without a name, don't fall in love.